Have you ever pondered over how a single man can shift the trajectory of global politics? A man who, from the frosty landscapes of Russia, has left an indelible imprint on the world stage? This man is none other than Vladimir Putin. Born in the heart of the Soviet Union, Leningrad, in 1952, Putin's early life was marked by modesty and hardship. The son of a factory worker and a Navy conscript, young Putin grew up in a communal apartment, sharing a space that was meant for a single family with 3 others. In 1975, Putin embarked on a career that would shape his future in ways unimaginable. Joining the KGB, he spent 16 years serving the agency, climbing the ranks, and refining his understanding of politics and power. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 marked the end of an era, and for Putin, it was a turning point. Returning to Russia in the early 90s, Putin entered politics with a clear vision and a steely determination. His rise in the political arena was swift. By 1999, he had ascended to the position of prime minister under President Boris Yeltsin. When Yeltsin abruptly resigned on the last day of the millennium, Putin found himself at the helm of a nation in transition. His tenure as president, which began in 2000, has been punctuated by significant events that have reverberated across the world. Under Putin's leadership, Russia has reasserted itself on the global stage. The annexation of Crimea in 2014, the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, and the Russian intervention in the Syrian civil war are but a few instances of Putin's geopolitical maneuvering. But who is Putin, the man behind the political persona? Known for his love of sports, Putin is a judo black belt, an avid skier, and a hockey player. His fluency in multiple languages hints at a cosmopolitan outlook, a contrast to his often nationalist rhetoric. Putin's personal life has been largely private. He was married to Lyudmila Putina for 3 decades, from 1983 to 2014. Together, they have 2 daughters. Putin's affiliation with the United Russia political party has played a significant role in shaping his political ideology and approach. From a humble start in Leningrad to the highest echelons of political power in Russia, Putin's life and career have been a study in resilience, ambition, and strategic acumen. His influence, both within Russia and on the global stage, has been profound and far-reaching. As we reflect on Putin's journey, one thing remains clear: his impact on global politics is undeniable. Whether admired or admonished, Putin's legacy is one that will continue to shape the course of world history for years to come. And as we continue to witness the unfolding of his career, we are reminded that the course of history is often shaped by the will of individuals like Vladimir Putin. Voiceover. Before we move towards the conclusion of this engaging journey, let's take a moment to reflect and discuss. What do you think about Putin's journey from Leningrad to the Kremlin? What are your thoughts on his influence and legacy? Do you admire or admonish his political strategies? We would love to hear your perspective. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement is what makes this journey even more enlightening and worthwhile. As we wrap up, we want to thank you for joining us on this exploration of power and ambition through the life of Vladimir Putin. It has been a fascinating journey, one that has shown us how individuals can shape the course of history. Stay tuned for more such intriguing explorations into the lives of people who have left an indelible mark on our world. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep learning.